How to create a link for photos and videos. Everyone open a web browser. Go to google.com. Sign into your Google account. Select Google Apps. Select Drive. We'll upload photos and videos to Google Drive to create a shareable link. Select New. There are 3 ways to upload files to Google Drive. The first way is to create a folder, then upload your files into it to keep everything organized. The second way is to upload files directly to Google Drive. The third way is to upload an entire folder to Google Drive. In this video, I'll create a folder and then upload files to it. Open the folder. I'll upload the files to this folder. Select New. Select File Upload. Select the photos or videos you want to create a shareable link for. Wait for the files to upload to Google Drive. Now, let's create a shareable link for the photos and videos. Select More Actions. Select Share. Select Share. Select anyone with the link. Select Copy Link. That's it, you successfully created a shareable link for your photos and videos.